That's rare, nigga. Nigga, the power's in my head. Nigga, Soho, a Tribeca. Coke money, few blow, my watch better. You clone like, pay homage or I don't like.
For the spinning wheel, you need to download Spin the Wheel on Play Store. Open it, then we are gonna create our wheel. Click plus add new, then click the option you like. Click any color or click plus add and type the Kpop group you like. You can also choose and change colors for clicking the circle with color. When you're done adding Kpop groups, and there are extra spot, click and hold If and delete. Add your wheel title, then click this and save your wheel. Click spin and don't forget to screen record it. Stop screen recording, then go to Capcut. Add new project, then add the screen recorded video. On this part I just delete the clips you don't need. Go to format and change the format to 3, for then zoom your clip and adjust it. Delete this part off wheel cause nothing. I just want to delete it moi. Find the end off that C wheel, then split it and delete the rest. Clip and export. Go back and click Undo to recover the tuned wheel and delete first wheel or C wheel. Delete again this part of the wheel and export it. Delete the project and create new, then add the 2 clips we exported. Adjust the duration by changing the speed to fast to 3.6 seconds and 3.0 seconds. Go back to home screen, then I'm gonna show you I saved and find clips that I need. Find clip that can fit all the member stuff 3 to 4 format. I full screen the video then screen record only the scene I want to see on my edits. Now I'm gonna find other group clip. Go back to Capcut then add new project then add the clips we screen recorded. Set the format to 3, for then zoom that clip, split and delete the clips you don't want and adjust the speed to 0.4x. The duration of this project must be 1.5s before you export it. Go back then add the clip of other group, then do the same process we did earlier. Now add new project, then add one clip of the group's clip we did earlier. Move the clips like this, cause we're gonna do this. Now add overlay, then add the other group clip, then just adjust it like what did I do. It will become like this then export it. Delete the project then go back to our main project. Add the clip did previously. Click it, then freeze it, adjust to new clip to 1.6 second and 0.7 second. Add text, then type the category you want for the battle. This is the font I used and the style I did. Now add the group winner on dance category. Here are the duration for the next following clips. Just take a screenshot. Copy this, then drag it to the right to make it go to the end of the project. Adjust the duration to 0.8 seconds, then add text. Add the winner group, then follow the duration list. Now add animation fade out in all video clip, L, 3S for short clip and 0.5S for longer clips. Now add audio. This audio is on my shorts videos on YouTube.
Plan, nigga. The power's in my head, nigga. Trifecta, dope money, coke money. Right, trendsetter, you clone life.
Now add black from stock videos, then adjust its duration by see on duration list. Copy it, then adjust the duration. Now add the clip off the winner fourth battle. Then adjust the duration. Now add text and type so WHO win, then adjust it till the end of the black. Split the text between the two black clip, then add animation on the second text. Add loop flash 0 point to fast. Add text on the last clip, then add animation fade out 0.3 second on the clip. Now, we are finally done. Thank you for watching.
Ric Flair, nigga. Yeah, nigga. Soho, a trifecta. Blow, my watch better, my place better. You don't right. K's vomit, ungrateful niggas I don't like. That's rare, nigga. Ric Flair. Soho, a trifecta, 3 hoes, trifecta. You don't write, trendsetter, you clone like, pay homage or K.